There you are, standing at the dishwasher, spoons in one hand, coffee cup in the other, trying once again to please her, to make her happy. And she says, turn the spoons the other way or they don't get clean. Now you're upset. Now you feel like you've done something wrong. And now the disconnection begins. Welcome, brother, back to the Happy Man Coaching channel. I'm your Happy Man Coach, Charlie McKeever. And in this video, I want to talk to you about how our fear of being bad creates disconnection in our relationship. It creates disconnection because she says something very simple to us, and then we take it personally. We get upset. We believe that we've made a mistake, that what she's saying is not just something that's critical, it's critical of us. It's something that we take personally, and that we're afraid that we've done something wrong, we've done something bad, which means that we are bad. And that if we're bad, if she's not happy, then we're not going to be okay. And that the only way that we can be okay is that if we make her happy. But she's not happy, so now we feel powerless. Now we feel like someone else is in control of our life. Now we start to disown ourselves. And this plays out over and over and over again, because how we do one thing is how we do most things. So if we're getting upset and taking things personally in the dishwashing part of our life, we're also taking things personally in all other parts of our life. Now, here's where the disconnection comes. How do you tell someone who doesn't take feedback well that they don't take feedback well? There's no space, no opportunity for her to tell you that all she wants to do is be in partnership with you. All she wants to do is to get the spoons clean. All she wants to do is to have nice things. And when you get down to it, don't you want the same thing? Don't you want clean spoons? Don't you want to have nice things? Don't you want to be on the same page with her and in partnership with her and connected to her? When we take things personally, when we create this separation that she's on one side and we're on the other, there's no space for her to connect, even if she wants to. We don't realize that we're creating the disconnect, that we're participating in the disconnect because we're afraid of being bad. We're afraid of upsetting her. And when she says something that sounds like it's critical, we take it personally, and then we get upset. You can feel that anxiety, that anger, that frustration start to well up in you, and you feel like someone else is in control of your life. And this is the moment where we start to shut down as guys. We start to shut down. We start to pull away. We don't want to play anymore. And this is where she starts to feel abandoned. She starts to feel alone in the relationship. She starts to feel disconnected. And guess what? When she feels disconnected, when she doesn't feel emotionally safe, she doesn't feel like she can share things with you without you getting upset, this is where she starts to feel emotionally unsafe. She starts to feel emotionally disconnected, distant from you. And that makes her not want to be physically connected to you. She doesn't want to be physically naked with you. She doesn't want to have sex. A lot of times guys are in this place where they feel like they have all of this passion, all of this desire, that they want to give her everything that they have emotionally, physically, financially, mentally, all of this stuff, but we don't realize how much we're contributing to the disconnection. So the next time you're loading up the dishwasher, trying so desperately to make her happy, just hear that when she wants to turn the spoons upside down or right side this way or that side or whatever, that she's not really saying anything about you. She's just saying something about the spoons. And this is the kind of thing that I talk with men about on calls. This is the kind of thing that I help men understand, because it's not just the spoons, it's not just the coffee mug, it's not just the dishwasher, it's all other areas of life. It's all other areas where we feel like we're not enough, like we feel like we're not okay, we feel like we're being bad. And if we don't please other people, if we don't make mama happy, then things aren't going to go well. We're not going to be okay. And this is the kind of thing that I lived with for decades. This is the kind of thing that I had to unravel for myself, and I can help you unravel. So here's what you need to do next. Go to happymancoaching.com, click on the contact tab, fill out that form. Let's schedule a call and we will talk. You can also join the community. I have a community of men. We get together every week. We have calls. where we talk about what's going on with our lives. We talk about these types of concepts. We talk about what comes up for us, and we work this stuff through. We have new insights, new perspectives, and we stop taking things personally. We get together on Monday nights, we get together on Saturday mornings, and we talk in between in the community. We also have retreats where you can come and spend time, get outside of your environment, get outside of the stress, and experience something different. You can be around men who accept you, who are able to relate to you, who are interested in living fully and being alive. This is the type of thing that you can experience on a retreat, in addition to great street tacos and a lot of fun. So I invite you to join us in that. Let's schedule a call, become part of the community, come out on a retreat. And oh, by the way, in the description below, you will find a link to my secret owner's manual, the Happy Man's Secret Owner's Manual. Because you know what? None of us were born with a secret owner's manual, not even your wife. But I've put together a manual that will help you, give you the insights that you need in order to know how to navigate marriage and how to have a happy wife and a happy life. All right, brother, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.